Hello techie lovers, hope you guys are doing well. Before we begin, here's what you will learn in this video part 4. We are driving the ESP32 ADC, how to read analog values, what hardware you need, how to wire everything, how to use analog read function, and the key things you must know about ADC accuracy and pin limitations. By the end, you will be reading the real sensor values by using ESP32. So let's get started.
What is ADC? ADC means analog to digital converter. In real life, sensors do not keep only on or off, they keep continuous values like voltage changing slowly. But microcontrollers like ESP32 understand only numbers. So ADC converts analog voltage into digital numbers that the ESP32 can read. But how ESP32 reads analog values? ESP32 has a built-in ADC, so it can measure voltage between 0 volts and 3.3 volts. Instead of just high or low, it gives us a range of values. For ESP32, ADC is 12-bit. That means 0 volt give value 0, 3.3 volts give value 4095. Now let's see what hardware we need for this demo. Here I am using one ESP32 board, one slider potentiometer, one LED, breadboard and jumper wires. The potentiometer will act like a sensor. When I slide it, voltage changes and ADC reads it. Let's wire it step by step. Potentiometer has 3 pins, one side to 3.3 volt, one side to ground. Middle pin goes to an ADC pin on ESP32. Now comes the most important part, that is the code. Here I read the potentiometer value using analog read function. This gives me a value between 0 and 4095 because ESP32 has a 12-bit ADC. But LED brightness works from 0 to 255. So I use the map function to convert the range. After mapping, I use the analog write function to control the LED brightness. So when I move the potentiometer, the ADC value changes and the LED brightness changes smoothly. Now one important point about accuracy. ESP32 AD is 12-bit, but it's not perfectly linear. That means very low voltages may read as 0 and 3.3 volt value may saturate early. So if you need high precision measurements, you should use calibration or average multiple readings. Listen carefully, this is very important. ESP32 has 2 ADC units, ADC1 and ADC2. If you are using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you should only use ADC1 pins. ADC2 pins may not work properly with Wi-Fi. I hope you guys understood. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.